Okay, so now let's look at the blackboard. This is Miss Sonia's blackboard. Haha, this is my bedroom. Yeah, do you remember? I'm not going to show you more because the bed is undone. Okay, so let's be serious. All right, so what do I have here? I've got O, A, A, E, E. So how do you read those words? Hop, tub, cat, pit, Tim. So Mr. Rabbit, the Easter Bunny, he goes hopping, hop, hop. Here comes the Easter Bunny hopping, hop.
Here comes the Easter Bunny, hopping here and there, hippity hop, hopping everywhere.
Now let's play, because what I can do here, see, what if I do this? Okay, so let's change this word. And let's put, you know this, let's put this. Let's use this verb. Cut. Yes, I want to change, but I want to leave hop and cut. Cat. See, this is a big difference, right? I want to hear you. Cut, cat, cut, cat. Okay, now kids, let's make a magic. Let's make a magic. Do you remember Miss Sonia told you about the magic E? Do you remember a magic letter E? Do you? You don't?
Magic E makes the short sounds long.
Yes, exactly. The magic E makes the short sound long. Watch.
Pin, pine, fin, fine, hat, hate, mat, mate, bit, bite, kit, kite. This is the magic E song. Cap, cape, tap, tape, cod, code, rod, road, cub, cube, tub, tube. This is the magic E song. Can, cane, man, main, rid, ride, hid, hide, knot, note, rub, robe. This is the magic E song.
Do you remember now? Vi ho rinfrescato un po' la memoria? Okay, let's look at the blackboard now. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Let's now try the magic E. Okay, so like this is hop, hop. But like this, I say hope. What about here? I say cut. And now I say cute. And here, can you do it? And here. And here, can you do it?